What's that?
October 1, 2025, a 6.9 magnitude earthquake struck in the heart of Cebu. In a matter of seconds, the earth opened underneath our feet, bridges cracked, and lives as we knew them would never be the same. At least 31 shrines were lost, and hundreds were injured and displaced. But beyond the shaking earth, between and beneath the disruptions and oscillations, a different type of outline emerged. One that was not shaped by faultline geology but rather years and years of unpreparedness, neglect, and inaction. The San Remio Sports Complex, once a refuge in times of disaster, became a site of loss and grief. 5 lives were lost when its roof gave away. It didn't take long before allegations surfaced that corruption had weakened these walls long before the earthquake did.
Earthquakes are reminders of how alive our planet truly is. They happen when massive pressure builds deep within the Earth's crust. Tectonic plates, the huge slabs of rock that carry continents and oceans, constantly move, grind, and collide. When the stress becomes too great, energy is released in an instant. The ground trembles and the world changes in seconds. When the ground shakes and the climate shifts, the earth is speaking to us. It reminds us that survival begins with understanding, and real resilience starts before the next disaster arrives. The Philippines sits along the Pacific Ring of Fire, one of the most active earthquake regions on the planet. Beneath our homes and cities are fault lines, silently storing energy and waiting for the next sudden release.
But in recent years, another movement has begun to reshape our world. Climate change continues to alter the rhythm of nature, bringing stronger typhoons, longer droughts, and rising seas. Both earthquakes and climate change test our strength and expose the cracks in how we live, build, and prepare. According to Orozco, corruption's damage is twofold: financial waste and loss of life. The very structures meant to protect us become death traps.
In Luzon and Mindanao, the Philippines has suffered multiple earthquakes at each attesting to it. And yet, again and again, we see the same concerns surface: damaged buildings, unreinforced schools, delayed actions.
As rescue teams dug through rubble, a different call for awakening echoed, a spiritual one. Religious leaders warned that these tremors reveal not only the weakness of our buildings, but also of our moral foundations.
Funds meant for retrofitting, for seismic assessments, and for early warning systems often vanish before they even reach the ground. Experts like Palafox argue that the Philippines has long had the knowledge, but not integrity, to build resiliently. Across Cebu, the rebuilding process has begun, but it is more than rebuilding buildings. It is rebuilding trust. Trust in safety, trust in systems, and trust in one another. Communities are learning that preparation is on everyone's shoulders. Schools may hold drills, infrastructures may be upgraded, but every effort puts us one step closer to a safety community tomorrow. The Philippines will always lie on the Pacific Ring of Fire. But until we end the earthquake of corruption, our people will continue to fall, not from nature's fury, but from our own neglect.